It's like May, I'm pretty sure the 1st, 2nd, something like that. My birthday brunch thing that we're gonna do for my birthday is going to be this Saturday. So I bought a dress on YesStyle, and this is what the dress looks like. I just want y'all to be on this journey with me. This is the first birthday that I'm excited for. I turned 20. Oh, you can't even see the whole dress. So this is what the dress looks like on me. And I'll put up a picture right here of what the dress looks like on like the models or whatever. I got a size medium in this. I probably could have went with a large, but I like how the medium fits though. I like my dresses to be a little tighter for some reason. It's a bit short in the back, so I'm gonna have to put shorts on it, shorts underneath when it comes time for my actual thing. But this is just how it looks.
So, which one you want to use this still?
Just use this.
You want to eco? Well, hop out right here. Let me hop out right here.
Look, Summer. Look, Summer.
Like some person in the car just looking at me like, hey, you show me up. Look, person.
Look who?
Look.
Where? What's today?
Really?
Well, let me see.
Oh, this me now?
Oh my god.
Oh, look at my ears.
That's all wrong with y'all, mama. Come on. Made a pit stop back at the house. We're about to go to Tennessee, I believe. Not really sure. I think they're taking us shopping, or my mom's taking us shopping to get like an outfit or something. We just came back home because everyone needed, not everyone, my sister needed to change her clothes, and oh, my mom, she left her wallet. My nails are so ugly. Don't look at those. Change the sneakers. Really great.